What's your name?
My name is Alan.
Alan, how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Good. And tell me, how are you today? How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Good today. And I feel hot, even the weather is gloomy, still hot, right? Do you feel hot?
Yes.
Yeah, same here. Okay, I'm gonna ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, make sure to speak loudly, okay? I don't want you to speak like this. I want you to speak clearly, all right?
Yes.
Agree? Okay. Now, I would like to ask about music and arts, okay? Do you often listen to music? Yes or no?
Yes.
What kind of music do you like to listen to?
I often listen pop music.
Okay, can you say, I often listen to pop music. Speak like normal, not a robot. I often like listening to pop music.
I like
Listening.
listening to pop music
Okay, why?
because it's exciting.
Exciting and what do you feel? How do you feel when you listen to pop music? I feel exciting and what else? You don't feel happy? You don't feel happy? I feel exciting and happy. Yeah? I feel excited and happy when I listen to pop music. Okay, can you say it? I feel excited
I feel excited and happy
when
when I listen
to.
to pop music.
Okay. What about education? Can you tell me your favorite subject at school?
I like math
Math. Why?
because it's very exciting and happy.
It's very interesting and exciting. Yeah. What else? Can you tell me else? Interesting. What else? Exciting. And I like solving numbers. Do you like numbers? Say it again. Exciting. What else? Interesting. And I like. Oh, say it. 1, 2, 3, go. I like math.
I like math because it's interesting, exciting, and I like
Numbers.
numbers.
Good. Okay, now let's move on to part 2. Okay? You will be the leader of the volunteer program named Bright Future. So you have to invite many people to give donation, okay? And provide free tutoring, okay? Are you ready, Alan?
Yes.
All right. Speak loudly. Let's start. Go.
Hello, hi, my name is Alan.
Okay.
I'm a leader of volunteer program named Bright Future.
Mm-hmm.
Call for
I'm
donation.
here.
I'm here. Call for donation.
Mm-hmm.
Free tutor.
Mm-hmm. You will go?
We will go
To
mountainous
areas.
areas and
We will give.
you
We will give.
give books and clothes
To.
for children.
Yes. Okay. It will start on.
It will start on January 10th until March 12th. The place is Kazan and Suna province.
Okay. How many people do you need?
I need 20 volunteer
People. Over.
over 18 years old
Video.
with no
Health.
health
Problem.
problem.
Okay. You can register.
You can register before 25.
Again, you can register.
You can register before 25th of December.
Okay, very good. You have to say, that's all, and see you soon. Can you say it? That's all.
That's all.
And see you
And
soon.
see you soon.
Okay. So the problem is that you don't open your mouth very big. Just like, no. Okay, next time open your mouth because you're good. Open your mouth, okay?
Okay.
Now, let's move on to part 3. Talk about your favorite singer, music band, okay? Just the same you did here, okay? Just follow the guidelines. Ready?
Yes.
Let's start.
This band,
What is your favorite band or a
my
singer?
favorite band is Chris.
Oh, who's your favorite singer?
Singer is Welcome.
Okay. Why? What kind of song?
Is
Type of song is
is
pop, rock.
pop.
His music is
His music is exciting.
no. What type of music he sings?
He sings pop music
Sings pop music. Okay. Why do you like the singer?
because he sings very. This song is very exciting and it made me happy.
It makes me happy.
Makes me happy.
Okay. What else?
No.
What else? You have to follow the guidelines.
I have been to the concert.
I haven't been to his concert. Say it again. I haven't been to his
I
concert
haven't been to his concert
because
because the ticket
it's very
is very
expensive.
expensive.
Again, the ticket is very expensive.
Because the ticket is very expensive.
So if you will see him, what will you say?
If I see him, I will say,
What will you say? You're a great singer. Yeah? You're a great singer. You are my idol.
"Sister, you are my idol."
Okay, and I want to take your signature. Right? I want to take your signature. And you have to take selfie. Right? Selfie, the photo of your favorite singer. Okay, Alan? That's it. Okay. Finished and say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Alan.